So Jesus, I noticed when the worship music surveys came back that you were the only one who had suggestions for our praise team. It says here on this survey that you'd like to hear more scripture in the lyrics. Our people are very simple. They like catchy tunes. We found that songs with too many Bible verses can be challenging for them to learn. I mean, Bible verse memorization is nearly impossible for most adults. That's why we let our kids do it. In Sunday school, sometimes they memorize these sweet little verses. Other than that, we don't push Bible quotes on our congregants. People, they just get confused with the Bible, and it makes them feel less intelligent if they can't do things we ask them, like singing songs that have lots of lyrics from the Bible. We have found it's just easier to pick songs from the radio, songs that people already know. If the song quotes scripture every now and then, great. But when it comes to our music selection, when we ask for suggestions, we're really just asking for compliments because we're the church of peace and unity, and compliments don't make anyone angry. So if you could just remember that and just remember who's in charge here, everything is just going to be peaches and cream.